Hello everyone, welcome to Banking Short Selection. Friends, I am Shivam Sharma, previously was in IDBI, now working in Bank of Baroda. In this video, we will do daily GK update of 27 August 2020. If you want this PDF and also daily quizzes, get us to my WhatsApp GA group, link is in the pinned comment of video. Also kindly subscribe to the channel. One stop business solution named OmniCollect launched by which bank? So OmniCollect is launched by HSBC India and HSBC headquarters is in London. So just remember OmniCollect by HSBC. HSBC headquarters is in London. Liberty saving account launched by which bank? So it is Axis Bank. So just remember Liberty saving account by Axis Bank. How many percentage was the increase in number of bank fraud cases for 1 lakh or above in fiscal year 20? So it was 28% increase. So just remember that 28% increase है in number of bank fraud cases in fiscal year 20. Which organization has decided to dissolve the Banking Codes and Standard Board of India, that is BCSBI. So RBI has decided to dissolve BCSBI. So just remember its full form, and BCSBI was set up in February 2006. So remember both. Projected growth rate of India for fiscal year 2021 as per RBI's annual report. So it is minus 4.5%. So just remember that as per RBI, India's growth rate for 2021 is minus 4.5. Which continent was declared wild polio free by WHO in August? So अफ्रीका इज़ द कॉन्टिनेंट. अब अफ्रीका को वाइल्ड पोलियो फ्री डिक्लेयर कर दिया गया है. अब ओनली जो पोलियो के कुछ केसेस हैं वो अफ़गानिस्तान एंड पाकिस्तान में ऑब्ज़र्व किए गए हैं. बाकी अफ्रीका टोटली फ्री कर दिया गया है बाय WHO. हरियाणा प्लस M3M फाउंडेशन. सो हरियाणा ने कोलाब्रेशन किया है M3M फाउंडेशन के साथ to enable student to get into government jobs. So question can be asked like which state tied up with M3M Foundation to enable student to get into government job. So हरियाणा ने ये किया है M3M Foundation के साथ. Which public sector company has won स्वच्छता ही सेवा Cleanliness is Service 2019 award? So स्वच्छता ही सेवा Cleanliness is Service award won by NLC India Limited. NLC India Limited. Just remember स्वच्छता ही सेवा award. NLC India Limited. Export Preparedness Index by Niti Aayog. So in Export Preparedness Index, top state overall is Gujarat. So just remember Export Preparedness Index, top state is Gujarat. Women from which state has ranked top in list of loan beneficiaries under Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana? So women from Tamil Nadu. So तमिल नाडु की वुमेन है वो टॉप किया है उन्होंने. जो लिस्ट ऑफ लोन बेनिफिशरीज थी, जो लोन के बेनिफिशरीज थी वुमेंस, उसमें तमिलनाडु की वुमेंस ने टॉप किया है प्रधानमंत्री मुद्रा योजना में. एंड जो प्रीवियस तमिलनाडु से रिलेटेड न्यूज़ थी वो तमिलनाडु टॉप मार्केट बोरोइंग एज पर RBI डेटा. सो इट वाज इन जुलाई और अगस्त आई थिंक. तमिलनाडु टॉप मार्केट बोरोइंग एज पर RBI डेटा. पोलोमी घाटक सी रिटायर. शी वाज द प्लेयर ऑफ टेबल टेनिस. पोलोमी घाटक. जस्ट रिमेंबर टेबल टेनिस. Who has become first fast bowler to take 600 wicket in international test cricket? Just read it properly. It is first fast bowler. So it is James Anderson. He is पेसर और फास्ट बॉलर फ्रॉम इंग्लैंड. एंड अभी जो पाकिस्तान के साथ टेस्ट सीरीज चल रही है उसी में इन्होंने ये कारनामा किया है. क्रिकेट ड्रोना बुक. इट इज़ रिटन बाय जतिन प्रंचपे एंड आनंद वासु. दे बोथ हैव wrote this book. Authored this book Cricket Drona, Jatin Pranchpe, Anand Basu, and published by Penguin. World Water Week 24 से 28 अगस्त and theme was Water and Climate Change Accelerating Action. Water and Climate Change Accelerating Action. Now static from current. Kaiga Atomic Station, Karnataka, Vietnam. Capital is Hanoi. Currency is Dong. Men's ODI World Cup 2023 India. Women's ODI World Cup 2021 in New Zealand. So thanks for watching the video and kindly subscribe to the channel. Also get attached to my WhatsApp GA group if you want to give daily quizzes. Thanks a lot.